Alright, what we have here today, fresh off the bench, is a Cobra 25 WX Night Watch CB radio. Radio is peaked and tuned. Radio dead keys 5 watts, swings a good solid 20. I also did a modulation swing kit in, so you got good modulation swing. It is a brand new radio. I did align to receive, transmit, everything's dead on. Nice little radio.
Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Saturday.
All works as it should. Nice strong mobile unit. Comes with everything, all accessories, owner's manual, power cord, mounting bracket, mic, everything you need. Nice strong little unit. It is what it is. What you see is what you will get. Peaked and tuned, aligned for best receive and transmit. You're ready to rock and roll. Swings a solid 20 watts. What you see is what you will receive.